Die Mission gerade hieß The Brain's Guidance. So, und jetzt heißt es Markt for Sacrifice. Marked for Sacrifice. The goal is to carry out his revenge against those monsters. It seems the accursed spirits set the brand attracts. It seems the accursed spirits that the brand attracts are attacking people, but God has no reason to help strangers. Ja, machen wir nur das Mark for Sacrifice, hä? Ach Gott. Ja, wieder kommt jetzt kein Text. Ach so, kommt es dann schon. Wenn ich da... Nein. Halt das. Alles aus. Beginn Battle. Oh Gott. Ich will das lesen, aber... Marked for Sacrifice. The brand of sacrifice attracts accursed spirits. These are the spirits of people who died filled with regrets. They envy the living and want to take possession of their bodies. And want to take possession of their bodies. God's mission is to kill monsters, not to save people. Die People haben mich jetzt... Oh, bitte gern. Immer wieder gern. Oh Gott, mein Bauch. Jetzt kommt Mia schon, weil sie sich Sorgen macht, was mit mir los ist. His heart stand with vengeance. God thinks only of defeating these fiends. Oh Gott, ich hab's geschafft. Oh Gott, ich weine. Oh Gott. Oh. Oh, schön. Lass mich runter von dem Pferd jetzt. Hallo, runter, aus. Geht doch. Der legt mich am Arsch. To save people. Oh Gott. Ich meine, ne? Ich muss mir ja selber auch zuhören. Oh, my English is not the yellow from the egg. I believe you spider. Where do you have this from? Why do you say something like this? This is not very nice of you to say something like this, you know? I give my very best to entertain you here, all of you, and to read what there is written. And then you say my English is not the yellow from the egg. I'm gonna show you how yellow my English is. Oder so. Oh Gott. Ja, und sie wurden weh, my friend. I'm not on the wooden way. Look here. The way is all made of stones and sand. And of the bones from my enemies. I don't know what you're talking about. Maybe you should go and see a doctor, an eye doctor. You know, Apropos Eye Doctor, Augenarzt. Was hab ich